What is the minimum checking amount for Capital One? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, what is the minimum checking amount for Capital One? This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the answer, I want to talk a little bit about Capital One. Capital One is a bank that is known for its innovative products and services. They are also known for their excellent customer service. Capital One offers a variety of checking accounts, each with its own set of features and benefits. So, what is the minimum checking amount for Capital One? The minimum checking amount for Capital One is $0. This means that you can open a checking account with Capital One without having to deposit any money. However, there are a few things to keep in mind if you choose to open a checking account with Capital One without any money in it. First, you will need to make at least one deposit into your account within 30 days of opening it. Second, you will be charged a monthly fee of $12 if you do not maintain a minimum balance of $500 in your account. Third, you will be charged an overdraft fee if you withdraw more money from your account than you have in it. So, if you are considering opening a checking account with Capital One, it is important to weigh the benefits and drawbacks of having a low balance. Now that you know the minimum checking amount for Capital One, let's talk about some of the other features and benefits of their checking accounts. One of the best features of Capital One checking accounts is that they offer free online and mobile banking. This means that you can access your account from anywhere in the world, at any time. Capital One checking accounts also offer a number of other features, such as free overdraft protection, no minimum balance requirements, early direct deposit, mobile check deposit, and much more. If you are looking for a great checking account, I highly recommend Capital One. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.